I actually just uploaded, oh goodness, a video using my self-rotating iron, the Beach Waiver. And I was still doing the rest of my hair. I think so. Amya, I don't know if I'm saying your name right. I think you are the only one here. But guess what? People are coming. Invite another host. Okay, so Mason Stanley is here. Yes, I literally just jumped on. And when you haven't gone live in a while, it takes a while for TikTok to push your live out. So let's give it a couple of seconds. So if you are on here, if you've joined, I am showing you guys how to get easy beach waves using my self-rotating curling iron. So tag your friends, send this to your friends, and let's learn how to beach wave our hair together. Let me just adjust my camera here so you guys can see all of my hair in here. So I actually just uploaded a tutorial and it's kind of like a fun showing you guys how to do this. And so then I thought, let me come on live while I do the rest of it because I have a couple of opportunities for you too. So not only am I going to share with you exactly how to get these beautiful, look at these, you guys, look at these beautiful beach waves. So simple and easy. Oh goodness, what does this mean? Go live together? I didn't even know you could do this. Okay, sorry, Florida, if you just requested to come live with me, we will try and go live with people at the end of this, but let me get through this little demo first. And then if you guys want to go live together and come on and chat, we can do that to ask questions. I would love to do that. Actually, that would be so fun, but I'm declining you right now. Don't take offense. I just want to really show you exactly how to use this self-rotating curling iron. It is so amazing. So today I'm using the Beach Waiver. You guys, this is a self-rotating curling iron. So this little button right here makes it go right or left, and it gives you the easiest curls ever. And they're going to be on sale all weekend long for Memorial Day weekend sale. And because I'm actually an ambassador to them, they have started the sale. If you go to the link in my bio, the sale is already happening. So you can go ahead and start shopping. And I can offer you an extra 10% off. So for this one, for instance, this exact one I'm holding in my hand it normally retails for $129. It is on sale for $71. And you can get an additional 10% off if you use my code MichellePWave. So it comes down to, that's another $7 off. So it's it's $60. Really like so affordable. So watch this. So we're going to come in, we're going to clamp down the hair. I like to leave a little bit of the end out, and then you're going to tap this button and the curl, look at this, you guys, it does it for you. So I like to leave some of the end out. It's so fast. So I'm going to count to 1, 2, 3. I'm going to open up the iron and release, and look at this. The perfect beach wave. Do you see that? The perfect beach wave every single time. So I know people are still coming into the live. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to continue to curl my hair. And if you guys have specific questions or anything that you want to ask or add to the chat that we're having right now, I would love to answer any of your questions. And then if you want to, maybe we could even bring you guys on to do a little chat. So I'm going to take a 1-inch section. This is actually a 1-inch iron. So I'm going to take a 1-inch section. Your section should mimic the section of the iron you're using. I'm going to drag it down to the end. I'm going to leave about 1 inch out, and I'm going to clamp, and then I'm going to tap this button right here to go away from my face. See it? See this button? So that means that we are now rotating away from the face. And we're going to hold it for 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3. We're going to open up the iron and release. Look at this, you guys. The perfect curl every single time. So look already at the difference. So this is the side I have not done yet. This is my natural hair. This is air dried. And now I'm adding these beautiful beach waves. So simple and easy, right? So let's go ahead and clip this back out. So what questions do you guys have? Can I be in your live? Safa. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this demo, and then if there's time, if you guys want to come on and ask questions, we could do like a little answer Q&A. If you guys want to come on and ask questions. Okay, perfect, great question. So where did I get the curler from? This is called a beach waiver. I have been using it on my page for a million years. I am a beach waiver advocate because I love to use irons that make curling your hair, styling your hair at home simpler and easier. So this is a self-rotating curling iron. These buttons right here, so see if I go tap this way, it goes to the right. If I tap this way, it goes to the left. This is by the Beach Waiver. The link is in my bio. I'm so obsessed with this brand, with the quality, with everything that they stand for, that I've been working with them for years now. I'm an ambassador, so you can safely shop by clicking the link in my bio to check out this iron. This is the B1. The B stands for basic, but this will give you not so basic bitch hair. So self-rotating curling iron, and then we're gonna go in, clamp, rotate, oh, wrong way, rotate all the way up the strand, just like that, so easy. You're gonna hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Safa, yes, you can be in my live in a little bit. I'm just gonna do a demo and try and get some people in here, and then we'll go from there. And then maybe we can do a Q&A. And look, you guys, a simple and easy beach wave. Like, no more of that sort of awkwardly rotating your wrist and you're not sure which way to go. It does all the work for you. And it's just so fun to use as well. I love to use tools that are so fun to use, and this one definitely is fun. All right, so let's take another little inch section. How is everybody doing? Does anybody have any questions? I know it's like a Monday morning. Hairstylists are, the majority of us, not all, but a lot of us are off. So this is my day not to be in the salon. So I thought I would come live and chat with you guys for a second and just show you this tool that I'm just did a video for. So you go check out the video. If you don't have time to stay on this live, no worries. I just did a whole tutorial utilizing this tool right here. So you can go over to my page and check it out. The link is in my bio if you want to learn more about this tool. And then also I'm showing you during this live. So I'm going to be on for probably the next 10 minutes until I have to go to my next meeting. I'm good, frog lover. I'm good. I'm doing really well. I just wanted to come on and chat with you guys. I don't go on live as often as I want to. So when I have extra time, I really try to come on live and chat with you guys, answer any hair care questions or hair tool questions. And today I was really excited to feature this tool because this tool usually retails for $129, and today it is on sale for $71. And if you use my code Michelle P Wave, you get an additional 10% off. So now you're paying around $65 for this bad boy. So it's basically half price. And it's such an amazing tool to have. I've been using these at home and behind the chair for a really long time now, 5 years now. And I'm just love them so much. Let's see. Do I have questions? Okay, no questions yet. If you guys have questions, put them in the Q&A chat, or you can ask them in the chat below. So I'm just showing you how simple and easy it is to use this beach waiver. Yes, Alexia, it is a wow moment. So look, you guys, I still have this much hair on this side of my head to do, okay? But look, I have not done this side yet. This is my air-dried, normal texture hair. Puffy, a little frizzy. And look, just by using this beach waiver, I'm getting these nice beach waves. Everything is smooth and relaxed. So I'm going to do the rest of this side of the head. Yeah. So do you guys have any questions? Alexia, have you seen anybody? Oh, Frog Lover, thank you for following. Yay! I love that. Thank you. Thank you for following me. Everybody tag your friends and have them come in. If they're hair obsessed or love to learn about new tools or anything related to hair, let's get them on here because look at this. I'm using a self-rotating curling iron. Makes your life simple and easy, and it's just so fun to use. So we're going to simply clamp, rotate by tapping the button to go away. And look, you control how fast or slow it goes. And then it's the quickest curl ever. So you're holding it for 3 to 6 seconds max. And then you release. And you have the perfect beach wave every single time. So if you want to have beach waves for summer and you can't figure out how to use a clamp curling iron, you can't figure out how to use a wand to give it that really relaxed look, this tool does all the hard work for you. So you definitely have to check it out. So self-rotating curling iron, I'm a big fan of Beach Waiver. This is a woman-owned company. It's actually a sisters own this company. It's so fun to support them. It's so fun to support women-owned companies as well. And so, yeah. Okay, Alexia, let's see. Do you have any advice for me? Because I still have trouble doing my curls from the back of my head. Oh my gosh, great question and perfect time. Because as you can see, this is all the hair that lives in front of my shoulder. Now I'm getting back to this hair. See, this is all the hair that lives in the back. And it's typically, I love this question because this is the hardest part of our hair to curl because it's way back here and we feel like we can't reach it. So let me show you this hack that you can do with the Beach Waiver. So I'm going to take an inch section. It's from way back here, right? So with the Beach Waiver, whereas when you have like a clamp curling iron, which I love a clamp curling iron, you guys, I have one right here. You have to really reach around and it's like doing an arm workout. With the Beach Waiver, watch this. I direct the hair, watch this, Alexia, to the front. I can actually see it right in front of me, right? And even if you have short hair, let's pretend my hair was this short. I could still see that little short piece right here. It's right in front of my eye. So watch this. Now I'm effortlessly, look at my arms. They're down. I'm clamping this piece in the front. And now because I don't have to move my arms to rotate it, watch this. I'm going to tap the button. And now as it rotates, I'm just using my hand to follow along. And now look, the curling iron is in the back of my head and I'm just relaxed with my arms. I'm letting it sit there for the 3 to 6 seconds. And then look at this. Now I release, the curl comes out and it's so simple and easy. Like how relaxed do I look? This is the answer to your problems of having a curling iron that like you're doing the front and you're like, yes, I'm looking really good. And by the time you get to the back, you're like, what just happened? I can't see my hair. It's a knotted mess. What did I curl? What did I not curl? The Beach Waiver solves that problem for you. I'm obsessed. Like I said, I've been using this behind the chair for years now. And I just think it's such a great tool for someone who's been doing their hair forever and just wants an easier way to do it. Or for someone who's just trying to learn how to curl their hair, it's equally as amazing for either person. I'm a professional hairstylist. I've been styling hair for 17 years. The Beach Waiver is one of my go-to tools, both behind the chair and at home, because it's just so darn easy to use and it's so fun to use. So let's watch this again. Love that question, Alexia. Watch. This is the hair that lives in the back of my head. See that? I'm just simply pulling it around to the front. I'm effortlessly clamping it. I'm tapping the button to go away from my face, and then I'm just following with my hand so that it goes all the way back. That way, I'm ensuring that I'm getting a curl that's even from root to tip. I hold it for a few minutes, I release, and then I release the curl, and I have these perfect beach waves, just like that. Amazing, right? All right, cool. So on this side of the hair, I'm down to one section. All right, let me check the time here. I do need to jump off here at 11 because I have another meeting that I have to be in. So I'm going to do this one last curl. And I want you guys to know, tag your friends. Go check out my latest videos. Go check out my latest video featuring this exact tool. These tools are on sale all through Memorial Day, but they will not last. They will sell out. And right now, this rose gold one, it comes in rose gold, there's a glitter gold, there's a pink and purple, there's a white, there's a black, there's so many different colors. But right now, the rose gold is on sale for $71. And if you use my code MichellePWave, you get an extra 10% off. So that's another $7 off that price which brings it down to around 65 bucks. My Michelle P. Wave code will register with anything you shop on that site, so anyone that you want to get. So definitely check it out, and I'm going to be back featuring the beach waiver again soon. So go check out my video on my account, and these are the beach waves. So look, you guys, I have this side totally done. This side I have not done yet. See this? So no beach waves. Beach waves. It's elongated. The frizz is gone. This is poofy, a little frizzy. See that? It totally just softens my shape. Gives me that cool girl, fresh appeal. Whether you're at the beach or wishing you were at the beach, this is such a cool look. And then what I like to do is just brush through my curls, just like that, to just give them a little bit more relaxed vibe. And now you have pretty soft waves. See that? Oh, so pretty. Looks so much shinier, so much softer. And so look at the difference. No waves, waves. Go check out the beach waiver. Go check out my latest video. Go comment if you have any questions that you did not ask during this live. Go ask them in that video. Tag all your friends. I appreciate you so much. I love you. I hope you have the best day ever. And I will see you all in the next live video. Have a great day. And I wish you happiness and the best hair day ever. See you guys soon.